In this video, we are going to talk about even and odd numbers and how to tell very quickly whether a number is even or odd. Some whole numbers are called even numbers. What does it mean for a number to be even? Well, if you had that many objects and you could share them evenly or equally between two people, then the number of objects you have is called an even number. Whole numbers that are not even numbers are called odd numbers. For example, look at this collection of 6 pencils. Can you divide the pencils evenly between two people? Of course. Each person would get 3 pencils. Since 6 objects can be divided evenly between two people, 6 is called an even number. Now take a look at this collection of 7 pencils. Can you divide the pencils evenly between two people? No, you can't. If the first person gets 3 pencils, then the second person would have to get 4. If the first person gets 4 pencils, then the second person has to get 3. There is no way of dividing a collection of 7 pencils evenly between two people. Since 7 objects cannot be evenly divided between two people, 7 is called an odd number. What about a collection of 8 pencils? 8 pencils can be divided evenly between two people, with each person getting 4, so 8 is an even number. What about a collection of 9 pencils? There is no way of dividing 9 pencils evenly between two people, so 9 is an odd number. Let's summarize what we have discovered thus far. 6 is an even number, 7 is an odd number, 8 is even, and 9 is odd. You might notice a pattern here. Even and odd numbers seem to alternate. That's true. The whole numbers alternate between odd numbers and even numbers. Look at this table of the whole numbers from 1 to 100 with the even numbers in red. The even and odd numbers alternate. But there is something else interesting. All the numbers in the first column of even numbers end in the digit 2. The next column of even numbers end in the digit 4. The next column of even numbers end in the digit 6. The next column of numbers end in the digit 8. And the last column of even numbers end in the digit 0. All of the even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, and the odd numbers end in either 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So, we have a very easy way of telling if a whole number is even or odd. All we have to do is look at the last digit. If the last digit is either a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then the number is even. If the last digit is anything else, the number is odd. Let's look at a few examples. To see if 26 is even or odd, we look at the last digit. Since the last digit is a 6, 26 is even. 189 is an odd number because it does not end in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. 4,230 is an even number because it ends in a 0. 109,235 is an odd number because it does not end in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. To summarize, we have learned that if a number of objects can be divided evenly between two people, then the number is called an even number. Even and odd numbers alternate. You can easily tell if a number is even by looking at the last digit. If the last digit is a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then the number is an even number. Whole numbers that are not even numbers are called odd numbers.